your heart and soul say yes? Will your spirit still say yes? There is more that He requires of thee. Will your heart and soul say yes? Will your heart and soul say yes? Will your spirit still say yes? If I told you what I really need, will your spirit still say yes? So just say yes, 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 yes. My soul says yes. My heart says yes. My mind says yes, 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 I will, Jesus. I'll go where you want me to go. I'll do what you want me to do.